Welcome back to Wazobia One, the senior brother for the television stations when inside Obodo the world. And this na the #1 program. Ask anybody, tell them, as it is hot. All the issues when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, we know they fear, we dey talk am. So that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. Ezugu Chukwu, the Anunku be inside studio, and the one we dey discuss today, now the law against anyhow talk inside Obodo Nigeria. Whether monkey hand dey inside the arrangement or whether na correct package.
Chukudi, see, make we look this thing severely. One of the reasons why I talk say this matter, say somehow it's still tie people hand. Okay, and what if so? I not talk say people know they misyam somehow. People they talk within they don't supposed to talk. Okay, and then punishment according to the bill don't they grant for any person who violate this particular law, we go misyam within no supposed to talk. Okay, and what if na government official misyam? A typical example, Oga El-Rufai, will be the governor of Kaduna State. Allegedly, we hear say in the talks one time say the government of Oga Jonah spend how much? About 64 billion for waiting for Independence Day. Okay, the office of the president don't come out now talk say look say that thing where El-Rufai talk. Now waiting say na false say no be true. Okay, Oga El-Rufai now will be governor. Where carry out this false information, where the president, the officer of the president come and talk, say, look, this no be true. Waiting be the punishment for him.
Exactly.
No, not this one, because we no figure the right to also talk. No. But when government officials talk, what they go do them? Now that to make bring of course, the same way they try to apply into this thing. If no monitor our leaders, it's just like say we know they play our own role. We need to also talk things what we see. Things that tend to be element of truth.
What thing are they talk we say?
This is coming from a government leader.
Exactly. This bill now bill when we say he go no be now why I ask say shey na just those when the government the thing go protect so that they will fit concentrate on do their work or na to allow for say if I get tangible substantial something when we say I fit substantiate for court. Evidence against somebody and I carry and come. The agencies when we say they're supposed to do their work, go do their work. Take for example now, Oga Nasiru El-Rufai, when the governor of Kaduna State come and talk, say, okay, say Oga Buhari, we want to celebrate our independence. They can't cut the money to this because money no day. But say the government of Oga Jonah spend so amount. Now, Oga Nasiru El-Rufai talk that when he make that statement, plenty people shock because in there for government and people believe say he go there private to certain information. But at the end of the day now, we get rebuttal from the camp of our former president when they come out and say, oh, now only 333 million and he spend and then break everything down. Now the question now I say, where we go from there? If you bring out information about person and they can't discover say that information will not be true, you suppose answer question. Now what they look say, make we look this bill where because the thing talk say we suppose get situation.
Make you relax. Make we do it. Make we collect this call from Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Shukudi, good morning.
Oga Igo, I greet you.
The controversial Okubi, I greet you.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
This topic where day today, now I don't hear am since. But to me, I not the support of that bill because one. This was the same media. They say bring Goodluck Jonathan down. When they take castigator, they bring her down for compared to lose. Nah. This the same government that don't enter power. They want to do wuru so that make other people to be say they'll use media they hold them. So they want scramble around. It will not work. We must hear our voice. Then secondly, if they pass this kind of bill, they don't be pass to say anybody will steal money for government. See what they go do. I mean, they jail them. When they pass this, anybody steal money, they cannot
like the matters where they pen, we will never even hear their results.
You get it. So this bill, these are the only drugs say the poor masses. When they say go fit talk, those who say we know if you walk go aso rock, we go fit talk through media, we go hear through media. So me not even try and say me they will bring out because me not even try because we not even hear that one. It will not work at all. It will not work.
Oga
Igo, this is they talk out with passion, they talk out with vex.
The thing they show for your body say you no go support any of those kind of things where we say it go reach to stifle the right of the ordinary man to talk.
Yes.
We they always they talk and
we get Oga Bobby. Make we still hold on. Oga Bobby they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning. I agree to that too.
I agree to you too.
The matter Now only a guilty person there go say what did they talk about
Say no.
I could make such a things them. Because really, there's no, when you be in a government house, there's no rumor when they're not good say, things when they're not good say about you. So you only thing say, if you know that you say your mind clean, you're not going to worry about certain things when they say, he or she say about you. So you see, so they tell us now, say, so we don't need to get a whistleblower again.
Yes, so.
That's what they tell us now. So there's no whistleblower. So person not fit talk what did they do. So then you say, yes, they are all criminals. Those of them, when they did it, if those when you get clean mind before they go there, when they reach the finish, then they initiate them to become a criminal. That's what they do. When they do stuff for our president. So everybody they see and say now corruption people like they there. They are all corrupt. They were not corrupt. They put them into corruption. Because sometimes you say you a whistleblower, I'm not going to blow whistle again. So you can't accuse somebody of say anybody say he thief something. Me prove. You know, like you remember when this Obama matter of for Bonner. You understand me now? It happened for America. They continue to see the drag it almost for one 4 years when he did of his tenure. Before he got okay, he got to bring the result come out. The America go quiet. You know see also. So then what did they tell us now? Like the day you say the Senate president, that man, he do what they accuse at that time when they when he can go block. So to tell you the truth. You understand me now? Monkey hand and the cow leg inside.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. The passion when we say you dey use dey discuss issues when they affect Nigerians, even though you dey outside Obodo Nigeria. Now one way go encourage those of us when they inside this country say, we will continue to dey talk because if our brothers when they diaspora still dey passionate about Nigeria, those of us when they live for here must do am so that Nigeria go dey okay.
Okay, Chukwudi, may I give you that typical example? Okay, the governor of Nasarawa State, Tanko Almakura, recently we saw footages, pictures of where he visited one federal government college for Nasarawa, where he go they do it, go they check out beds where students they sleep on, and Chukwudi, you saw these pictures. Me, I see these pictures. Lots of Nigerians see these pictures. And we saw the state of that particular bed where in lie on. And even can't take picture. So, for instance, say we go need to tell ourselves the truth. Say, okay, this bed don't call for change.
Exactly.
We need to change this bed because going by the pictures of the bed where we see, not be bed where person they sleep again. We don't even need to say we want test them or lay on top before we go know say we're supposed to change them. You understand? So that kind of thing now, that kind of thing gonna happen. People come they talk about them for social media. Come they probably come hashtag on one kind of thing. Come they talk about them. You can't talk say people over talk or probably people stay talk say that maybe when people they even probably voice them out with passion. Come maybe add up one or two things. Though it is not appropriate to insult any government official, but come talk some things where we say where ordinarily Nigerians go feel. You understand?
Very
you
true.
can't them say that one they wrong.
Well, you see, in truth, make we establish three things. Number one, it dey very important say everybody need to understand say na democracy na we dey and for democracy everybody get right. Now after we talk say okay well, everybody get right for democracy, e dey number two we know say if all of us know our rights we suppose know where the thing go come be like say we don dey overdo am or we don dey make another person or other people get problem. If I get right to say my own space, maybe my house, I dey inside. But because of say na my house, na me pay the rent. I can't on music when they're very, very loud. They affect people when we say they live inside the compound. Somehow, I don't begin to use my own. They constitute problem for other people. It's very good to make we establish those ones now. What I think say governments, civil societies, and all of us as Nigerians supposed to do now to begin to educate. Make all of us understand, say, okay, if you get the right to ask questions because now you vote this person to that place. But in asking questions, nobody say you can't do them in a way when say you can't be like say you don't they manipulate the whole system or the whole process. Now governor when visit government college for Kefi, come look say this form no good. Just by looking at them, everybody says okay, the form no good. But maybe to contest whether the thing still soft. He can't decide say one sleep on top. Now that time they can't know say they go snap picture. They can't snap picture. That picture can't find the way go social media. People go come carry them, come begin they talk, they do this, they do all those ones.
He go still need to do it. We get a caller. We get Oga Solo. Oga Solomon, they call us from Chicago. Good morning, Oga Solomon.
I think one a day.
We dey fine,
we
Oga
dey
Solomon.
fine.
Man, my guy, on our word on Now I tell you one thing, they won't convert Nigeria to be deaf and dumb. You get me so? You know what I think the effect of social media? I'm not giving one example. Now Chicago I did. If now they listen to CNN, it gets one boy when they kill last year.
Yes, now the 16-year-old.
Okay, when they kill the guy, police then do cover up, then cover the case.
Delete the video.
Now one guy, nice sue the city, one individual, nice sue the city of Chicago, until judge wants me to release the video. Do you understand me? Now because of that move, FBI won't come to Chicago to come investigate our Chicago Police Department. For this modern day, my brother, social media, if a person say, Uncle, you take money, right? All you need to do is now to prove yourself. Do you understand me? If at the end of the day you can't prove yourself, you can't say true, you're innocent, now shame will catch the right person. You don't need to pass a law to restrict people from saying anything they want to talk. Like now, in Nigeria they so, if I can't accuse you wrongly, you have the right to sue me, carry me, go court. You don't need any kind of bill. These senators, they don't even get shame. And to restrict Nigerians from voicing their opinion, I don't want to. When major crime did it, they don't have to sort themselves out. I mean, it's so sad, man. You see, Bobby and that first guy when he called,
There you go.
they just hit the nail on the head.
Thank you very much, Oga Solomon, for that contribution. You
All
should
right.
also add up your own contribution
Exactly.
to the voices of Nigerians we don't call so far
Very
on top
true.
of this matter.
He
So
go, see,
Chukwudi,
make we give this example. Oga Solomon, they call us from Chicago, and he be explain of
we get
what happened
no
for.
Chukwudi, still hold on. We still get Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us back. Oga Bobby, right on. They hear you. Fire on.
The thing they provoke me,
No vex,
No vex, so take them easy.
they want turn Nigeria to communist party. You dey see am so person not go fit talk again. Person not go fit talk when anything they do. Now wetin they do so. They want turn Nigeria into communist party. They want turn Nigeria to Russia and China when person not fit talk. You can't speak when you say that you can't accuse them for waiting the crimes where they commit. The adulteries, the one that they commit for that country. You dey see am so. The thing is so fucking annoying.
Oga Bobby, I beg. You also need to mind the languages where they use. Yeah, I beg. You get some language you go give room for here. And we know say this something they vex you seriously, but then we know say they throw out your passion, but then there is still some languages where we will feel accept here, and the ones where we will feel say, okay, this one they appropriate.
Very, very true.
They right on with the hear you.
We know say it's very important. Like I talk, make we point out certain things. Now, if we know say everybody get right to express themselves, it also very important we know say certain limitations they make it no come be like say you don't they abuse the right when you get that one and number two. Now, what I talk about enlightenment and information. Our senators, them, the people when we say we elect to represent us, civil societies, suppose begin they educate and inform Nigerians when they know say okay, see wetin this bill they about, because they talk say na bill against frivolous petition. I know they just they talk about the social media now. They also they talk about people when go just look and say see wetin they want use. Oga Igbo talk am well when he been talk say some people use them as tool to bring down the government of former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. And we no fit deny am say people to score cheap political points, they go social media, they go whatever medium, maybe through petitions, through broadcast, through sponsored statements. They go they talk say see wetin this thing be, see wetin e no be. Even though they know say that thing na out of falsehood and they spread am. Those things they follow they affect the trust wey suppose dey between the people when they government and the people. We no talk say everybody when they government they pure. But wetin we dey talk we say if you get information when carry evidence, when you know say you dey very certain, go court, get affidavit, carry and come. If they look the thing finish, because they say, oh, this person really do this thing, they can't sentence the person. You when you even carry that thing come, you suppose get a reward. Like wetin Oga Bobby talk, whistleblower, the work of the whistleblower na to look say, see the way when this thing dey, he go come out, come talk the truth. If we clamp down on all of these things, it go dey difficult. So make it not be like say our senators they do them to protect themselves, just like the immunity bill when people been they talk about say principal officers the oga kpatakpata dem for the house say make dem give them immunity and people dey talk say this one go be like say okay you dey protect them.
Dey you know
Exactly.
even when dem do wrong dem go grant dem immunity bill dem go dey free of the thing.
Exactly.
But meanwhile we know say dem do wrong but then punishment wey dem suppose do wetin face dem no go gree face am because of say one particular clause don dey on ground to protect their interest.
E dey very good make we emphasize say when we talk about government na collective responsibility. Everybody dey participate inside government. The electorate wey vote, the citizenry, the whole of the people, whether big or small, and those wey be say dey inside government. Everybody na we the team belong to. If you dey that particular position na because of say okay Nigerians look say okay hold this position in trust for us. No be say you go come dey there come talk say because you don dey there don dey like that. Anybody wey dey government, we know say you get your private life. But a considerable percentage of everything wey you dey do na public eye the thing go dey. If you dey government you chop puff for outside people go look you with one kind eye. No be say good eye or bad eye but dem go look you because you be representative of the people. And if dem begin dey talk say this oga dey chop puff for outside you no go talk say na my life. We know say you get your life but if you dey represent the people anything wey you do dem go get the right to ask you because you are riding on their votes and na why you dey that place with that. So let this bill not be seen as one wey be say we dey try stifle wetin people dey talk or dey make am be like say people no get anything or people no go fit talk anything wey dem suppose talk.
You don make your point but make we do it make we go drink water because the rate at which Chukwudi dey do it dey pour this issue if we give am chance if im throat fit just dry make we do it make we go drink water come you need the water.
Na you need water. In fact, you need juice.
You are lecturing.
You need juice. Yes, because I'm speaking the truth. I'm letting Nigerians know what it is. Welcome back to Wazobia 1. And this na as it is hot. From where we start now, we dey see the final bus stop of the show. And the discussion when we start from 10 o'clock get to do with anyhow talk for inside Obodo Nigeria. The law, we dey look whether na monkey hand dey inside the arrangement or whether na better package. Oga Igo, Oga Bobby from Amsterdam and also Oga Solomon from Chicago don call into Chukma for inside this matter. And wetin everybody dey talk we say when it come to democracy, everybody for Naija get the right to talk wetin dem suppose talk. But we dey also talk am say limitation suppose dey. No be limitation say you no go talk but no be say you go come dey use the talk dey spoil person name. Nkubi, if we check this matter well we don see say people don take advantage of the fact say we fit express ourselves make we talk dem use am dey undermine other people.
Obvious, no doubt.
No kind name wey be say dem no call former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. You understand? Now some people don even take advantage of am say okay this new government see so I fit recall say e get the time when we say our oga president don even admit say dem call am baba go slow because e be like say him dey take him time too much e come be like say he no sabi wetin he wan do. As citizens of a country we get the right to call our elected representative to question but we must know say e dey get limit to certain things wey we dey do when e come dey be like say okay this person they don dey spoil this person name and the thing no be true because if you dey government and you chop money and dem get evidence to say you chop money obviously your name go spoil because you write on say you get good name to go government if you come chop money your name don spoil automatically.
Evidences wey we say we no dey know the bottom line we no dey see the end you understand I mean we see na wetin dey there if we dey do this thing we no dey see the result of you understand na why make people go dey always dey start up talk.
Exactly.
Oga Bobby yes they call us back okay be like say we don lose am so na wetin I try talk see the point is people no go come and come dey talk in the first place if our government officials dey do the right thing. No be so. True. If our government officials dey say okay all those necessities all those things wey Nigerians want all those things wey your community your the people wey dey represent need you do am dey represent them well dey pro. How many Nigerians go come and come dey say dem get your time?
Very true.
Then go just relax. But when in a society where we say okay things are not going well the way we want them Nigerians are not so happy about it you understand and Nigerians come dey complain dey talk. You understand? Where some of them don't use your advantage, can't talk within they're not supposed to talk. But even among people where they talk within their say they're appropriate, in Nigeria they also say true. You understand? When they talk, they try open up issues where we say we know it's not true. Because they tell me say, okay, because of that one, make we not talk again.
Exactly.
Let us be. Oga Bobby, they call us back. Yes, Oga Bobby. Right on.
Ukubia Shukudi.
Yeah.
Anyway, just cause Sorry for my language, you know.
Yes,
But
yes,
it
we
ginger me well, you know.
Thank you very much, Oga Bobby. But just complete your talk. I know say the thing they pay you well.
I pay me rich bone, no. You know, the thing is, when I want to continue, we say, one thing when you got to understand, we say, if you take government, that's one thing when we say Nigeria politicians need to understand, we say, when you take government, there always be criticism. You understand me now?
Yes.
That is what motivates you as a politician to do better. Because no matter how you as individually, as a human being, we are this, not everybody like you. You understand me now? Because Ukubi and Shukudas now so ego they call Ukubi controversial. Because he not believe on what Ukubi they talk. Because if he say that controversial things, he not there against they bite to his side. You understand me now? So that is how it is. You understand me now? So Nigerian politicians are supposed to know, so yes, there always be criticism for them. So
for them to at least improve.
Social media or anywhere must always criticize you for what you do. If you do road, they'll say you not do the road well. You chop the money. Oh, if you give me this road, somebody will say, if I mean they give the contract now, go do one for less than the money. What they, you understand me now? That's not criticism. So they're supposed to expect that one. So to pass that kind of bill, it's very, very, very uncalled for. You know. So that's what I want to contribute.
Thank you very much,
Oga Bobby. Thank you very much.
This your point where you use round off everything as something when we say it is very, very important and it touch us. Oga Solomon from Chicago, he won't call to give part 2 of waiting in start with. Oga Solomon, welcome back again.
Yeah, but one of them part 2 remain now.
Oh yeah, now give us your part 2.
Waiting Bobby just here, not be one just here. You see, for democracy, there's what you have equilibrium. And that's why you must have opposition party. If you just one party, just they not get opposition, it's hard to get balance. So in other words, you go want other people they criticize you, and because of that one, you try to want to do your best so that at the end of the day you put yourself right. You understand what I'm saying? Now, another thing again, we say social media. The news when they come out for social media, now undiluted news or information.
Yes, true.
If 100 people die, they will say 100 people die. Why? Because media houses, they don't get control over that.
True.
You understand me? So they bring transparency in a modern day society. Like the way the Nigerians want to do right now, they won't see like when I know they say they call name, but in America with they and I'm sure some person like Bobby for where and they for Amsterdam, they call name direct. If a particular person fuck up, they call the name direct. But for Nigeria, we don't get that kind of privilege. You understand me? Like now in court to apologize. But I know see even like Amsterdam, he will call to apologize because I'm so happy. I think I don't like my mayor. I think I don't like my president, Obama. So you understand? I think talking for him president, nobody will arrest me. In as much as I not post threat say I won't compare you. But I think I hate you. That's just me. You see Donald Trump, right? Man, give one good example. You see Trump when they campaign for Republican Party for America. We not like him. The reason why people just say the guy they do well because the man they talk anyhow. They talk within their mind. You know, be like other politicians when they try to be politically correct.
Yes.
My brother, if they take this privilege come up for Nigeria, he don't finish. He don't finish. That's what I have to talk. If Patrick again, I go come back.
Okay, now Oga Solomon, thank you very much for calling back. And we also, they continue to tell your people for Chicago, say, may they do it, may they tune into what, and that is as they hot, once the time don't reach. Thank you. We don't hear Oga Solomon. But then, the society, this is more like an advanced society. Society where we say, the freedom of speech, they break it down for them. Say, anybody, if you walk up to the president, accuse us, say, Oga President, they say you chop money, you be thief, and all that. You understand that kind of thing? But then, they're going to need to say, now, the responsibility of Oga President to talk, say, okay, no be, now, no do all these things, right? But because they bring them down here, say, we not get that liver, that even the freedom of speech we get at the moment. You just be like, say, they say try do it in, curtail them.
Exactly.
They ensure say, yes, we pardon small so that we don't go too over talk. True. You understand that kind of thing? So this is more like our society different from this advanced society.
True.
So basically, these are two different worlds, and the way we see things differs.
Very true. It's very important make we emphasize say when it comes to government, it's supposed they open, it's supposed they transparent. People from outside suppose they see as things they happen inside there, so that it no go be like say something else dey inside because other governments of the world, other countries of the world, na so the thing dey operate. And if we talk say we dey practice the same form of government wey we say that they practice, na im be say e dey. Oga Bobby will mention about the way we say communist parties they try the whole government, you know, information no go fit go round anyhow. They go restrict the kind level of information when they go round, or they go dey control the kind information when we say then they go round. But if we get democracy where everybody get right to express themselves, considering the fact that they qualify to participate, it is important say make we allow say the rights of people we protect them. We go emphasize on top of as they ought say. Everybody get the right to talk, but like we dey talk, you know, go come talk say because you want talk, you come dey spread talk when we say no be true, or e dey bad, or if it cause problem or spoil person name. Anybody wey get better informate when e get to do with somebody when dey government or person when we say they represent us in capacity when we say whatever the person don do, we suppose hold them to account. Make them submit am to the relevant agencies, make them carry out their thorough investigation so that we go know say okay, government don dey open and everything dey flow the way when the thing suppose dey flow.
Yes, so make it dey flow the way it's supposed to flow. But then you could also talk about you get some very bills where we need to also where our government at least suppose don't do anything. Don't face. Where exactly. They go pass, where go benefit Nigerians. We get the petroleum industry bill. We get a lot of bills where they go. And all these bills, now bills where we say once then they implement them, do it. At least Nigerians go to benefit from them.
Exactly.
Not because the bill we say now don't stretch for years. We know they see anything. Just like say now they try harder because of some selfish purposes and all that.
Exactly.
But then once people when they see a particular bill where we say they tend to probably deny them or deprive them of talking, and just like say so now we don't know how to talk. Now we don't know what they talk. Now we don't know what they demand for. But even in the midst of that talk, make also they watch what they talk, so that at least no go talk down we pass our mouth. Talk down we no be true. Exactly. They talk about this program say, look, Nigeria in our country, nobody get Nigeria at all. Anybody personal estate. Now collective share we get them together. And if it better tomorrow, now for our own purpose. If it bad tomorrow, now still us go do it and go face them. Exactly. So make we do it, make we join hands together. At least they move the country forward the way we're supposed to move on.
Exactly. Our people went there for house until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out plenty smoke as it get to do with all of the issues when they happen inside Obodo Nigeria political arrangement. We go to encourage you and say Wazobia 1, the #1 television station, the one we say they speak the language when everybody they understand. Not too much, in it, repete. Language when they clear, everybody they understand them. We also give you the right to chook mouth for inside the matter and talk them the way when the thing be. Those when the matter concern, we they shall say that they watch, then they take note, and then go do everything to move this our country forward. Nkubi.
So must you always bring in controversial, confusing talk? Nigerian knows not pidgin English, and now you always bring in some kind of English way no they even.
We never get situation when we say call, I go call. Why they answer question in pidgin.
Be there. If you have the NET, all to be all these things. You try to tell us that you speak some.
Why you they jealous? Why you they jealous?
Yeah, tomorrow you all go come again from you.
Now bye you supposed to talk. You don't already turn the thing to fight. Why are you like this?
Why are you like this?
Why are you always like this?
Why you always like this?
Respect yourself, oh. Just respect yourself. No, if you try me, you go so that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.